Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're ready to change Jackal controls. Start by confirming the game is updated and you're signed in. Once done, open the main menu and tap Settings, then Controls. Make sure to choose Layout Editor or load a preset first so you can edit safely without losing your current setup. This gives you a working copy to change buttons and sensitivity. Save a screenshot if you want a backup. Now that you've opened the editor, we move into precise button placement and mapping. Now focus on mapping Jackal-specific abilities. Drag icons to ergonomic positions and use 1/2 grid snapping for even spacing. Resize touch zones to avoid accidental presses, and adjust transparency so HUD visibility improves without blocking view. Assign action bindings for primary fire, aim down sights, gadget, and special ability to fingers you prefer. Think movement versus aim hand. Once configured, hit Preview or Enter Training to test responsiveness and tweak dead zones and sensitivity until the control feel is consistent and reliable. Finish by saving your layout as a named custom preset so you can revert or switch quickly. Next, calibrate sensitivity and ADS multipliers to match Jackal's recoil and firing rhythm. Small adjustments matter. Make sure to test in a live match to confirm ergonomics under pressure. If controls feel laggy or unresponsive, clear the app cache, lower graphics settings to reduce frame drops, or reinstall the game. Also check touch screen responsiveness. That single troubleshooting tip often resolves most control issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.